unboxing the Mr. Glass. These here are basically like cable management system for you. And it's a 10 pack. So I'm excited to go ahead and check these here out. They just sending these here out for review with this. So if you guys have like cables, any kind of audio cables, USB A's, USB-C cables, charging cables, phone cables, anything like that, that you have like on your desk or maybe beside your bed, and you always have them like slide off. This right here will be awesome for you. So let's go ahead and unbox it so you guys can get an idea what everything looks like, how they all come. And this right here is exactly how they come inside the box. And let's go ahead and take this here out and show you how all this right here works. I'm excited about this. I'm very excited about this. So here they are. So you get 10 individual ones inside this box. And this here has a little sticky part right there. You'll literally like stick it right on your desk or what side table or wherever you want it to be. And then you just go ahead and open this here up. So little flip right here, because there's like a little magnet in there. Look, you go and clip it down. That's going to avoid your cable from falling out. So it's going to have it on your desk like so. You're going to run your cable through it. I'm going to grab a cable. So this is my cable right here. I'd actually go ahead and run my cable through it, clip it on there, and check this out. If the cable tries to slide down, it's not going any farther than that. Look at that. How awesome. Show you guys up close. So the cable is going to be right there ready to go for me. This will be, of course, stuck on my desk. And when I need it, I just go and open it up and go and grab my cable, and it's going to be right there for you. That's so cool. I like the fact that it does have the magnet in there. Go ahead and keep it closed at all times. And easy to go ahead and open it up. It does have this little tab on here, which makes it nice and easy to go ahead and open and close it. That is so neat. It's a great way to kind of keep cable management under control. And you do get a pack of 10. A pack of 10. So easily go ahead and cable management everything that you might have for your desk, your computers, even by your bedside. Charger cables, anything. Right there it is. Definitely check these out. Mr. Glass.